just wanted to check out the very, very top of the Krimml Falls. I don't know if you watched my part 1 and 2. I'm going to make this part 3 because now we've got to the sort of nearly the uppermost point. I'll show you in a minute. We're not quite at the top. 1,330 meters, and you can see it looks like it starts there, but if I sort of trek around all the way, we can go all the way up to 1,400 meters at the very, very top there. And that seems like the start of the Krimml Falls. Absolutely beautiful little spot here. Once again, the water's cascading down, and we're sort of just in Salzburg land. 9 provinces here in Austria. We're not quite in the Tyrol. If I pan around one last time, you'll see the Tyrol right in front of us. Salzburg land just behind me. And an amazing, amazing amount of water coming down. And as I say, try to watch parts 1 and 2. So once again, I guess this is the last little bit of the Krimml Falls here in Austria, 2016. And once more, auf Wiedersehen. Dankeschön.